use to color your shirts? Good question. You do need to use special markers because the color might run in the wash or it might fade really quickly. So you don't want to like end up dyeing other parts of your shirt or your other clothes. So your best bet for the color actually staying put is fabric markers or fabric paint. So there are different types of fabric markers. You can find them online or in Michael's, places like that. They are specifically made for fabric. So I've been using the Crayola fabric markers, and I do typically have some of these for sale if you're looking for them. There are 10 colors in here, which may not sound like a lot, but there's a lot you can do with 10 colors. It can be quite fun. I recommend that when you're using your markers, you check to see what the washing instructions are, because typically they'll give you an idea of what you need to do to help the color to stay. So there might be something you have to do to heat treat it. So like you might have to iron it for 4 minutes before you wash it or put it in the dryer or something like that. So follow the instructions on your markers before you wash your shirt.